Hello, it's Anna from Prodio. We are very happy and congratulations that you set up your account with Prodio. What you see is a virtual dashboard, it's a production plan. Exactly the same one is at your production hall, and that will see your employees. Thanks to this, you can plan orders and they can see it. They know when they have to do something, what they have to do, what they're responsible for, and when is the order due. I'm gonna take you now step by step and show you how to add your first production order. Imagine that you would like to produce a paper plane. For this plane to be manufactured, it has to go through the whole process with 3 different stages: cutting, folding, and painting. All these operations I have already in the system, but if you don't have any of them now, it's good time to add it by going to the left-hand menu, Settings, and then choosing Machines, Operations. I'm going to show you how to add product to the product database and how to keep all information about this product in one place. First of all, click Bookmark Products, and you can see the very easy form to fill. Name of product is Fast Pipe. I'm going to add a few details, the photo of the ready product, and detailed manual in PDF. Information about the plane ready. So now I'm going to set production technology. Step by step, I choose the whole process through which my product, my plane, has to go. First, cutting, next, folding, and at the end, painting. Painting, I'm going to mark as the end machine because this is the last stage of production process. Next step is adding the order to the system. We click Bookmark Orders, then a green button, Add an order. I'm going to write the client's name, order number, and the due date when the order should be ready. From the list, I'm choosing a plain fast pipe, write down the number of pieces, few comments, and it looks like we have everything, so now we are ready to create the order. Okay, let's plan it. My order for paper plane fast pipe is marked as new. I'm going to click on the right a gear symbol and next plan. Look how all production technology is now with the product. Here I can also assign workers or add tags to operation. Everything is ready and correct, so I can put the order to a production plan. Tom is at work and he knows that he should start working on fast pipe. He clicks the order, he can see all the details, drawings, he studies them, and he's ready to start work. Now you probably wonder what your worker can see at the production hall. Your workers can see exactly the same board with tasks planned, and thanks to that he knows what to do, how many pieces, and when the order is due. Tom starts work at cutting, so he clicks the order, he can see all the details, photos and attachments to this order. Tom chooses himself from the list, types in his PIN number, and he's ready to start work. To avoid typing in PIN numbers each time, you can use RFID readers or key fobs, and it will make the whole process of registration work faster. At any time, from any place in the world, you can see what your workers are working on at the moment, who is at work, and what was happening at the production hall. If you have any questions, contact us anytime. Our support team will be more than happy to help you.